Essential shops are open once again in Germany after the new year, but the owners of non-essential shops are worried. Their scheduled reopening on January the 10th is looking increasingly unlikely as the high coronavirus numbers persist. Last week, Germany reported more than 1,000 COVID-19 related deaths in one day for the first time, prompting the health minister to hint at an extension of current restrictions.
I
don't see how we can go back to how it was before lockdown. We have had 1,129 deaths in a day. Those numbers show how brutal this virus is. The number of infections and deaths also show that we are still very far from the normality we hope for.
The heads of Germany's 16 federal states will meet with Chancellor Angela Merkel via video conference on Tuesday to assess the situation. Germans have been told to stay home as much as possible and avoid travel. But while the ski resorts are closed, many families still went outdoors on New Year's Day.
We told the children to keep their distance. I think outside it's at least safer than inside.
In neighboring France, some 2,500 people also flouted lockdown restrictions for a second night in a row at an illegal New Year's rave.
I think there was a desire to get together. We are 20 years old and are kind of losing our youth. And I think this is also a fight against depression. I think we needed something positive to happen.
Police finally broke it up early Saturday morning, issuing more than 200 fines. This as authorities bring forward a curfew by 2 hours on Saturday evening in 15 regions hardest hit by COVID-19 infections.
Just days after Europe's vaccine rollout began, there has been concern growing here in Germany over supply issues, which has led to the temporary closure of some vaccination centers. It is hoped, however, that this problem will be eased when approval is given to a vaccine by the U.S. biotech company Moderna by the European Medicines Agency on January the 6th. Germany is also urging the EMA to quickly approve a vaccine created by Oxford University and AstraZeneca. Natalie Carney for CGTN in Munich.